Lifetime Replacement Guarantee Stainless Steel Nail by Toiletry Products is one of the best sellers among baby nail care products. Designed with strength in mind, the Toiletry Products Stainless Steel Nail Clipper Set for men or women comes out of the box ready to take care of your grooming needs. The carrying bag makes it portable so you can use it at home or on the go. Compact and slim, this high-end unisex clipper set is perfect for trimming thick or regular nails, cuticles, and hangnails. The manufacturer's customers generally use the larger clipper for toenails and smaller clipper for fingernails. The first time you hold them, you'll feel the solid construction and high quality of this premium clipper set. They offer a smooth trim and give you a clean snip every time for the best manicure. It's the best trimming tool you'll ever use. It's a quick and most efficient way to take care of your fingernail and toenail trimming needs. Good for men, women, and children to use on fingers and toes to trim fingernails, toenails, and cuticles, and to clip hangnails. Toiletry Products stands behind this product with a lifetime replacement warranty. Never worry again about having to buy a new clipper. Buy this quality clipper and have it for life when you order the Toiletry Products Stainless Steel Nail Clipper Set for men or women. You'll know that you just purchased a very high quality product that will last a long time. The manufacturer design and manufacture the manufacturer's grooming products using top-of-the-line parts. This unisex clipper cuts set clean and easy for your best comfort. Comes with handy storage bag. Make your life easier with this quality trimmer. Order one today.